Some of the records I saw in your profile.
Yeah.
कुछ इसके बारे में बता सकती हैं कि क्या record?
My record was that I juggled the football with one leg in a minute 245 times. So that set the Indian and Asian record. And inshallah, I'm trying for world record. Guinness World Record has specific requirements.
Okay.
I already shot a video of 350 juggles in 1 minute. Asian record and Indian record I already got. Like I
Okay,
have
you
the
already got.
certificates.
Okay.
I applied for Guinness World Record. It's under the review. I love public speaking because it's a way to express ourselves. Like if we get a stage, we can talk about how we feel about certain things. I like debating. I like anchoring. Any kind of public speaking, I love it.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्पॉटकास्ट के इस खुसूसी प्रोग्राम में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त मोहम्मद अमीन, और हर हफ्ते की तरह हमारे साथ आज एक गेस्ट मौजूद है। बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट है और एक खातून फुटबॉलर नहीं कहूँगा बल्कि फ्री स्टाइल फुटबॉलर कहूँगा। वेलकम आमना टू आवर स्टूडियो एंड इट्स अ प्लेजर हैविंग यू हियर।
Thank you for having me. It's a really great experience meeting you, coming to this radio and everything.
Freestyle football, we don't know much about it. I know you have to teach us.
Okay, it's like the skill of using every part of your body to dance with the ball, basically.
Okay.
So like it's creative. There is no specific rules on how to do it. You can do whatever you want as long as it looks cool.
Okay.
That's what I would say. And the basic of it is like juggling football and like some basic skills like around the world and stuff.
Okay.
So after that you can progress into your own style. Like there are no boundaries which you need to follow.
Okay.
It's like your own sport.
Some of the records I saw in your profile.
Yeah.
कुछ इसके बारे में बता सकती हैं कि क्या record?
Within my record was that I juggled the football with one leg in a minute 245 times.
Okay.
So that set the Indian and Asian record. And inshallah, I'm trying for world record. I don't know if the video, like Guinness World Record has specific requirements.
Okay.
I already shot a video of 350 juggles in 1 minute.
In 1 minute.
Yeah. So I've sent the request, but I don't know if it will meet the specific criteria. Asian record and Indian record I already got. Like I
Okay,
have
you
the
already got.
certificates.
Okay.
I applied for Guinness World Record. It's under the review.
Okay. Is there any existing record of this sort of freestyle?
Yeah, there is.
There is.
Yes.
So you have broken that thing?
Yeah, I've broken it and set a
Okay.
record.
Okay. I hope that you would get this record in your name.
Yes, inshallah.
Inshallah. Juggling. Whenever I think of juggling, I always recall one of the greatest footballers during my time,
Okay.
Diego Maradona.
Yeah, okay.
तो ये शौक कैसे आपको शौक पैदा कैसे हुआ था? I mean, who taught you? How did you get involved in juggling football?
जब मैं स्कूल में थी, मैं कोई तरह की स्पोर्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व नहीं था.
Okay.
Like कुछ भी नहीं, रनिंग और
Nothing.
फुटबॉल, नथिंग.
Okay.
लेकिन जब स्कूल में 12th में थी, जब कोविड शुरू हुआ, और जब कोविड शुरू हुआ मुझे समझ में आया कि मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा ही टाइम है.
Okay.
और जब मैं स्कूल में थी, मैं वो सारा टाइम वेस्ट करती थी. तो जब कोविड शुरू हुआ और स्कूल स्टॉप हो गई, मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी रियलाइजेशन आने लगा कि इतनी सारे टाइम वेस्ट करना अच्छा नहीं है ना.
Okay.
तो मुझे लगा कि मैं फिजिकली एक्टिव होना चाहिए.
Okay.
और मैं स्लोली वर्कआउट्स शुरू किया, और व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दैट आई फेल्ट एक्टिव,
Okay.
much more active than before. Then my brother is really involved in sports.
Okay.
He was the athletics captain in my school. He was the football captain at my school. और मुझे लगा मैं भी कर सकती हूँ ना.
Great.
Yeah.
वहाँ से आपका जो जर्नी है, you started off and it became a passion, right? अभी आपके
Yes.
लिए passion है.
Yes.
How many hours, कितने घंटा, अगर मैं पूछूं कि in a day you do it?
मेरी पैशन है, लेकिन मुझे उतना सारा वक्त उसमें डाल नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि जब मैं कॉलेज में थी, मैं बीकॉम सीए कर रहा था. वो इतना ज़्यादा हार्ड कोर्स नहीं है, कोई भी कर सकता है, लेकिन उसके साथ मैं सीएमए कर रही थी.
Okay.
सो सीएमए वो थोड़ी हार्ड कोर्स है. तो जब दोनों कर रहे थे, मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था, लेकिन हफ्ते में 1 घंटे.
I have seen some of your videos and looks very interesting actually.
थैंक यू.
And आने वाले टाइम में, वक्त में, क्या आप चाहती हैं कि you would carry on this sort of a profile, create a profile on your own Because आजकल every events, pre-events or post-event में this sort of jugglery has become very popular with the football.
या मे बी जाती हूँ ऐसे इवेंट्स के लिए.
हम्म.
केरला में बहुत ज़्यादा जाती थी. जब मैं यहाँ आया काम में बिजी
अच्छा.
हो गया. लाइक 8 to 5 वर्क
8 to
है.
5, okay.
या सो टाइम नहीं मिलती. लेकिन आई वांट टू फॉलो माय पैशन.
You want to follow your passion.
Yeah, so that's why I even chose CMA when I was doing accounts.
Okay.
Like CMA, it's certified management accountant. So what you learn there is not just how to account. You learn how to budget, you learn how to carry forward an organization. So when I chose that, I had thought of the future. Like if I want to start something, I have to know about the finance too.
Anywhere you had a dream of playing football sometime, maybe another 2 years?
I told, right, I started very recently.
No problem.
So I never dreamed that much. It all happened without me knowing. Like I just practiced, I put my effort, then I prayed a lot.
Okay.
I used to pray a lot, like because when I started, a lot of people were against it. Like not against it, they used to make fun of me. Like you can't do it. It's
How
yes.
many hours that you give yourself and in this kind of juggling the ball?
I believe, like I told, right, I only take max 1 hour a week. I can't give more than that.
1
like,
hour a week?
Yeah.
Okay.
More than that, like my schedule doesn't allow. But if you do it consistently, you can become really good. Like anyone can do it. I can say like that itself. Because I was someone without any sports background. Anyone can do this. That's why I say it's a sport that it's your own sport.
So
way of doing
which
it.
country you think in football has the best skills? Because this is all about skills,
Yeah.
balancing the ball,
Yeah.
balancing the act. Brazil or Argentina?
I think Brazil because
you're a Brazil fan then?
I'm not a Brazil fan. I'm an
Kerala is full
Argentina
of
fan.
Argentinians.
No, I'm actually an Argentina fan. I like Messi more than.
You like Messi more?
Yeah.
And Ronaldo is bad then?
No, Ronaldo is not bad. I wouldn't say that. I'm personally a fan of Messi because his skills seem very effortless. It feels like it's naturally coming into him. He does work hard, but then there is some really natural flow to his play.
Okay.
Like he doesn't do insane tricks or anything.
Mhm.
But then whatever he do, it just looks so effortless. And if we try to do it, it won't be that effortless.
Country from Qatar to India, shifting 3 years or 2 years?
3
you went
years.
3 years, you did your college. बहुत टाइम सुना है कि ये थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है उन बच्चों के लिए जो यहाँ पे पैदा हुआ है एंड उनको जाना पड़ता है वापस जाके एजुकेशन के लिए.
मेरे लिए उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था क्योंकि कतर भी आई डोंट नो, आई फील 90% मलयालीज. एवरीवेयर यू गो मलयाली ओनली. सो इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. एक्चुअली आई एंजॉयड इट देयर. It was different atmosphere. It was really nice, and it's much more active than Qatar. When you go to India, people are much more active.
Yes.
The college events, everything is much more active. So for me, more than difficult, it was a really wonderful experience. Like it's one of the times I look back to and wish like, oh my God, one more minute if I got there.
कतर में पिछले 15 सालों में I don't remember how many tournaments, championships have happened here. How do you define Qatar as a sports destination?
I would say there are a lot of events happening, but if you go into the locals, sports is not that prevalent.
Okay.
FIFA happened here, but compared to India, not much people are crazy about football here, like compared to Kerala. When the events happen, they're very excited about it. When the event dies, the excitement dies along with it. That's what I personally felt.
Okay. Now, football के अलावा, sports के अलावा, other entertainment areas आपका क्या है?
मुझे पब्लिक स्पीकिंग बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
मैं सिंगिंग में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड थी.
अच्छा. Why public speaking that you are interested in?
Oh, I love public speaking because it's a way to express ourselves. Like if we get a stage, we can talk about how we feel about certain things. I like debating. I like anchoring. Any kind of public speaking, I love it.
You know Qatar, okay? Spots where to hang around in the weekends. Your favorite hangarounds?
My favorite hang around in the weekends would be parks, like Bida Park. I love Bida Park. I grew up there. Like my house was near there.
Okay.
Like if you're a person who lived in Qatar for long, you know the old Bida Park more than the new one.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that way more than this. But then it has always been an emotion. Then going to beaches at night,
Okay.
that's like a really good time to spend.
Your best memory of Qatar when you were a child?
I wouldn't say best memory of Qatar, because when I was a child, there was no metro, there was no Uber.
Okay.
Anywhere we wanted to go, if my dad works in the military, so he used to go away for a long period of time, like for
Okay.
1 month, 2 months. So if we wanted to go anywhere, we used to walk and go.
Oh.
Like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. Those walks would be my favorite
Oh,
part. I
that's
would
wonderful.
say. Yeah.
Oh, which are the walks? How many distances?
I said right, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. I was small back then. It was just me, my brother, and my mom. We used to walk like to Lulu. Also, we'll walk and go. We'll come back with all the
great.
covers.
Good memory, actually.
Yeah.
Good memory. Now people are not walking actually.
All of my childhood memories in Qatar would be related to my mom. My mom is like, she's a very unique person, I would say. She wants us to do everything. She wants us to study. She wants us to sing. She wants us to dance. She
Do
wants
everything.
us to, do everything. So for that, she used to come up with like crazy ideas to help us do that. Like one of the ideas would be once she like filled a pillowcase with sand and tied it from the wall for us so that we learn boxing. So like she's the one who made my childhood very
Beautiful.
very beautiful.
So what you want to become in future?
I've never really set a long-term goal. Like at this point, I want to be that. I do what I should do today.
Okay.
Rest all I leave to God. Like let him decide what I'm gonna be.
So that's the definition of life for you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Amna, for joining us, and well said. And I know you do your target now, not for future, right? That's what you want to say, and
Yeah.
very well said. And thanks for joining us in this podcast show. And I would say you quickly should become a professional freestyle footballer.
Inshallah.
तो ये थी आमना, और फ्री स्टाइल फुटबॉल के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. एंड देयर इज़ नो स्पेसिफिक टारगेट इन लाइफ. His philosophy is very simple. Do what you want to do now. Don't think about future. अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात होगी एक और दिलचस्प एथलीट के साथ. तब तक के लिए मुझे यानी मोहम्मद अमीन को दीजिए इजाज़त. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.